Hi friends, it's Tiffany from Tiffany O Studio. I wanted to make a video today, just talk a little bit about my new product, my new reusable beeswax wraps. And I wanted to show you kind of how I make them, kind of in light of all my other videos. I guess I'm kind of into how-to videos. So basically I want to give you a little recap of what they actually are. So reusable beeswax wraps are a great eco-friendly alternative to plastic wrap in your house. So if you want to reduce your plastic wrap intake in your house, these are great. So I'll show you a few different options. I've been selling them in kits. So there's 3 different sizes. I have a 5x5. This is the new beehive pattern. They're super cute pattern. Love it. That's the 5x5. This is good if you like cut an onion and you want to wrap the onion and throw it back in your fridge. This size is perfect for that. I also have a 10x10. So this is the 10x10 and you'll see it's definitely a little bigger. Again, you can see the cute, adorable pattern of this beehive. Notice the little glare, that's the wax you're seeing. See the glare? That is wax. So it's cotton fabric dipped in beeswax, pine resin, and jojoba oil. So it's sticky, but not too sticky, and it has a little give to it. But you'll see, this was cotton fabric. It's stiff. I'm not barely at all touching it. So that's the 10x10. This is good if you have like a bowl with some strawberries in it. Put this over the bowl and it'll seal it. And then I have a 13x13. So this is clearly bigger, same cute beef hive pattern. This is awesome if you have a sandwich. You can literally wrap your sandwich up, seal it because the heat from your body melts the wax the tiniest bit to give you a little seal. And then you can throw your sandwich in your lunch bags at work, or if you have kids, this is perfect. You got to remind them not to throw it away because these are reusable. You can reuse these almost up to 6 months. I've heard people use them up to a year. I'm yet to test it for that long, but that's amazing. If you could do away with at least a year's worth of sandwich baggies in your life, I think that would be amazing. So the 13x13 is a really, really good size. It also could cover a small casserole dish. And those are the 3 sizes that I have on my website right now. So anyways, without further ado, I think I want to show you how to make it because I have some orders I have to fulfill anyways. So as you notice, we are in my cute little kitchen at my house. So I wanted to also show you, this is the supplies you need. So you have the beeswax, you have the resin, and a jojoba oil. So these 3 items combined make a really cool product. You'll also know that I've covered my oven with parchment paper or my stovetop because my amazing husband spent at least over an hour cleaning up all the wax off the top of our stovetop because I made a mess the other day. So love you, Matt. Sorry. So he graciously asked me to put parchment paper on pretty much everything. Anyways, so I got my oven already at 200 degrees. Depending on your oven, you're gonna need 200 to 50. I don't know, your oven, you know the deal. Just keep an eye on it. Beeswax can get a little crazy. So I already have it melted. Now I do it a little differently because I make larger quantities. So I bought a hotel pan from a restaurant supply store and you'll see. And I kind of melt a lot of wax at once because I'm gonna be making a bunch. I mean, I don't know if you can see back here, I have a bunch of fabric already cut. I'm just gonna bang them out today. Okay, so anyways, here we go. I got my trusty hot hand gloves. We're gonna go in the oven, and I already have it all melted for us. I'm gonna give it a little shake and stir because I see there's a little pine resin that needs to be mixed up. So I have these little chopsticks I use because I try not to burn my fingers too much. And keep in mind, anything you really use for this project, I would say is gonna be your beeswax product because it doesn't come out very easily at all. So, I don't know if you can see this. Let me show you. Let me get this off. It's pretty warm. Remember, it's 200 degrees. So I've got it melted here. You can see it swirling around a little bit. I almost just spilled it like crazy. So basically, this is a hotel pan I have. I have my fabric already pre-cut. I also use pinkering shears so that it doesn't fray. They're really cool, cute scissors, give you the jagged edge. I like it. So anyways, it's literally melt, dip, dry. That's basically it. So I just drop it in here. You gotta watch it, let it get all absorbed. You'll see when it goes, it kind of changes colors. You'll see the wax kind of darkens the fabric, and you'll notice that everything is covered at that point. Kind of sucks it in a little bit. So I'm letting it do its thing. And then since I want to save as much wax as possible, I kind of shove it up to the edge of the hot pan, if you could see here. And then I kind of let it drip off the hot pan a little bit. And then I use my fingers because I'm a crazy person. And let it slide up the hot pan and let a lot of the excess come off of the fabric. I've noticed that I don't love a ton of beeswax on it. I think it's wasteful. It just kind of doesn't look great. And this one I'm actually going to do a second little drag here. So then you just kind of drip it over here, let it dry. Don't like dangle it over your floor because it'll drip and then you have really sticky floor. Don't know how I know that, but I do. So I'm letting it dry a little bit, and it only takes like a minute or two for it to dry. And then, so look, check it out. So we've got, see the glare? That's your beeswax. Pretty cool, right? I'm actually gonna bump up my oven a little bit on the temperature. It's not melted as much as I would really like. So I'm gonna bump this up here a little bit. Whoa, not to 350, do not do that. I'm gonna go up to 300 though, around that, and let it melt again. So here's the thing though, I have to put that pan back into the oven and kind of re-melt it almost like every 1 or 2 cotton square. So it's a little time consuming, but it's really a cool process. I mean, this thing that we just dipped is already, look, it's like stiff. So it's got the wax on it. It's loving life. It's ready to go on one of your little things to do it. So it's a pretty cool process. Kind of just wanted to show it to you guys, let you in on what's going on in the studio, and try something new. So give it a try yourself. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and go to my website. I'll link the link below, and these are all on my website now. So if you want to buy one, that would be awesome. So until next time, friends, I'm going to keep working, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I'm obsessed with Instagram, and stay in touch. All right, bye.